boss told me to watch her, that she was at the bar yesterday and she didn't pay her tab. She walked out. She got 2 lemon drops, the $20 each, and a double shot of honey.
Hello? You know you have to pay for the drinks, right?
Tell her to prove that I didn't pay for them.
Prove? Well, you didn't pay for them. So do you want to go back and pay, or do we need to figure this out a different way?
Nod your head, yes or no. You understand? Hi, good morning. The looks don't faze me, sweetheart. Then you'll be listed as a Jane Doe, which will make it harder for you to get out of jail.
On August 12, 2023, airport officers on a United States concourse investigated an unpaid bar tab.
What happened?
My boss told me to watch her, that she was at the bar yesterday and she didn't pay her tab. She walked out. She got 2 lemon drops, the $20 each, and a double shot of honey. She didn't drink the honey, and she started to walk. I followed her and said, hey, can you please come back and pay your bill? She's like, oh, there's a flight. I'm like, you have to come back and pay your bill.
This happened yesterday or right now?
Right now. I don't even have a phone. I use TSA's phone. I have to go back to work, but she didn't pay her bill at City Pub. It was a $57 bill.
Who's going to come? Like, I can have somebody identify her, write a statement that says they want to press charges.
I can do it, but I gotta go. I'm not gonna press charges, but I have to tell you, because that's what we do as a bartender. We go chase the people that don't pay their bills.
Right, but you guys are a victim if she didn't pay.
Well, can you come back to talk to me about it? Because I have to go back to work.
Is there a manager to come out here? I can't. I'm probably not going to be able to come back there if I'm with her here. So is there a manager or somebody who wants to come out? I mean, it must not be that important if nobody wants to come out.
Okay, I'm here, so what do you need from me?
Okay, are you the manager?
No, I'm the bartender. He doesn't even know I left. The customers will tell him that I chased her because they saw her.
Okay, well, go back and get with him and find out if you guys want
Do you
to
have a
press
number?
charges or
Call
whatever.
you, I can call you, because I don't have my phone with me. It's at the bar.
Okay, well, hang on.
She was here yesterday. Her ID's from Philadelphia. I think I'm assuming maybe she's homeless. I don't know. She has a $57 tab.
We need to get with somebody at the City Pub and see if they want to press charges or what. She signals 20?
She had a Delta ticket. She served on one side.
Signal 20? Yeah, but what I'm saying is if she refuses to pay, we can't...
We can ask nicely for her to slide her credit card, but if she says no, then that's the end.
Right, we can't just take, we can't just turn her upside down and, shake her pockets out. That's not...
That's what we gotta ask.
I get it, but there's only so much we can do without a victim that wants to file charges. So we can't make her pay. We can ask her to pay, and if she says, I'm not paying, then the only thing we can then do is arrest her for not paying. We'd have to have a victim that wanted to write a statement and identify her, press charges.
I don't know, but someone should talk with her, because she was here yesterday doing the same thing.
Okay.
Did this to you guys yesterday?
Not to me. I don't know what she did yesterday. My boss just told me to make sure she pays her bill. What?
He's going to take her back.
Just go back to the...
Go back with him. Hello. You have a bill you didn't pay?
She didn't check the bill.
Well, you know if you go to a place and have drinks, you got to pay for them, right? It's not free. Hello? Hello? You know you have to pay for the drinks, right?
Tell her to prove that I didn't pay for them.
Prove? Well, you didn't pay for them. So do you want to go back and pay, or do we need to figure this out a different way?
What's your name, man?
Well, if we're going to play that game, we'll play that game.
Yep.
Didn't you have a Delta ticket yesterday?
All right, you don't want to communicate, we're going to go another route.
Yeah, right now we're conducting an investigation into a retail theft.
Yeah, Lance says he's going to trespass her regardless, so she's going to get kicked out of here regardless.
Yeah, I think I seen her yesterday.
Yeah, I did too, and
she came in here.
What I believe had a Delta ticket, but I guess, I don't know, maybe she just didn't care to ride.
One?
No, it was on her phone, like the QR code.
Mm-hmm.
So, I was like, whatever.
But she came in asking for Tonka, and I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. She just turned around and walked away. Then I kind of seen her just wandering hours. So when I came out here and she was on the bar drinking, I immediately told her we need to keep an eye on her.
Yeah.
Hello there. I know you remember me because I gave you a bus pass yesterday, remember? And we told her you were getting off the property. However, you decided to stay and then go to a place. I guess you didn't get the ride that you were looking for. We were waiting for it yesterday, right? At this point, miss, we're going to have to issue a trespass warning. Okay, so if you don't talk to us, it's okay. But we're going to have to issue this to prevent you from being here. You know, because we don't, the airport's a business place, and we don't condone any person going around and, causing trouble. And that's what you're doing, okay? So, okay, yeah.
You have some ID? Or your boarding pass that we can see?
You showed us the boarding pass yesterday. Can you show us that, please?
You're not going to be able to stay here, period. Regardless if you give us your information or not, you're going to be trespassed. What does that mean? So you can go ahead and call for a ride. I don't understand what that means. So can you give me some identification so we know who you are? Yes or no? You can nod your head if you want to be nonverbal. So you're not responding, which is okay. But say yes or no. Nod your head, yes or no. You understand? Hi, good morning. The looks don't faze me, sweetheart.
Here is a common myth worth breaking early. The right to silence does not block a lawful arrest. Silence protects a person from self-incrimination, not from probable cause built by independent evidence. Under Illinois v. Gates, probable cause is judged on the totality of the circumstances. 2 employee statements, a signed check, and same-day observation easily clear that legal bar. The Supreme Court in Adams v. Williams confirmed that identified citizen reports carry real evidentiary weight. A named bartender reporting a $57 tab is not an anonymous tip open to challenge. Berkemer v. McCarty holds that investigative detentions are not custodial for Miranda purposes. So officers may question a suspect at the scene without first delivering full Miranda warnings. Under Hibble v. 6th Judicial District, a state may require a suspect to give a name during that lawful stop. Refusing a name does not force release. In many states, it triggers a separate criminal charge.
So right now we're conducting an investigation. 1, because you left your tab open at City Pub. So on that respect, we're waiting to see if they want to press charges or not. So you're being detained. So you can make it easier by giving us information of who you are. And if they do choose to press charges, then you'll be listed as a Jane Doe, which will make it harder for you to get out of jail. So if you want to go that route, I don't mind to oblige. We wouldn't be here if you didn't bring attention to yourself. Do you have any information with your name on it? Okay. You want to do the hard way. Not a problem. Not a problem. Don't ask for niceness after this.
Alright, general manager of the City Pub and a young lady, African American, was sitting at the bar consuming adult beverages for a total of $57.37. If I would have spotted her when she walked in, I would have been able to
Refuse
just cut it.
service.
Exactly, right there.
You guys feel free to refuse service. We will always happily escort them off property so none of this happens to you guys.
But once I seen her consuming, I immediately told her about with my interaction with her yesterday, and that we needed to keep an eye on her because this was and yeah, she did write this. And again,
She wrote her name?
Yeah.
Can I take this as evidence that she
Yeah, I just
acknowledged?
reworded.
She's basically acknowledged the bill and left. She's observed the writing, right?
Mm-hmm.
The bartender, correct? Jessica?
Well, she didn't observe it because I asked her if she did it. She goes, I don't even have that color pen.
I'm going to ask you one more time if you'd like to give us information with your name on it to help us out. I don't mind listing you as John Doe at the jail. Maybe a little vacation will help you out.
So, you're the general manager, you have the prosecuting ability, right? And you're going to prosecute for this 57?
I'm only here 3
Okay.
months, so
Yeah, well,
I called my superior, and that's what he said.
Okay. So do you wish to prosecute? Yes. So you can say, I wish to prosecute on behalf of the business. You can write that out, please.
So she doesn't have the ability to pay.
I don't think she wants to. So she's going to take the ride to the lovely establishment on John Young and 33rd Street. Hey, ma'am, real quick. Can I hold this real quick for you? I don't want you to drop this real quick. All right. Relax. Just relax. Just relax. Keep seated. Stay seated. Okay.
You're under arrest. You'll be fixed.
Cuffs.
Once probable cause exists, United States v. Robinson allows a full search of the arrestee's person. That authority extends to pockets, containers, and natural hair styled in locks. The lawful test is officer safety and evidence preservation, not the arrestee's personal style. Retail theft in most states requires 3 elements: services received, intent to avoid payment, and actual non-payment. A signed acknowledgement of the check converts a dispute over intent into documented admissible evidence. Criminal trespass on airport property rests on the operator's authority to exclude for lawful cause. A written trespass notice, once properly served, turns any future return into an independent offense. Refusing identification does not defeat any of this. It only produces a Jane Doe booking.
still don't want to tell us your name? All right, Jane Doe it is.
Search down here, or do you want to?
Search right here. She can stand up.
Did you inventory the bag incident to arrest there? Inventory the bag.
Stand up for me.
Don't touch my hair.
Oh,
Don't
you
touch
do
my hair.
speak. Nice.
We're searching you, okay?
Don't touch my hair.
Don't earn more charges.
Don't
please.
touch
This
my
is
hair.
Just a misdemeanor.
Don't touch my hair. No, don't touch my locks.
We're gonna walk over to the right. You have beautiful locks. I just have to
Don't
make
touch
sure
my
you don't
locks.
have anything in your locks. Thank you for your cooperation, Miss Jane Doe.
I don't even know if the car engine's on. I'm gonna make sure that's the case.
Yeah, I feel it. I feel the cold air.
The engine's on.
I feel something cool. Unless it was just from before.
On the grades, the officers earn a B, plus the subject earns a D, and the bar staff earn a solid B range. The lesson is precise. Silence is a shield against words, not a shield against evidence. Anything a person signs, including a bar check, can supply proof of intent under theft statutes. And declining to identify yourself does not stop the arrest. It only complicates release from custody. Let us know in the comments which legal topic you would like us to break down next. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more analysis of police-court interactions.